Okay, so we are at Chicago's famous Navy Pier, and it's raining. So this is what you do when it rains in Chicago at the Navy Pier. You sit and hope that it stops raining in Chicago at the Navy Pier, because there's nothing to do and nothing is open. We wondered if they closed the rides when it rains, and now we have our answer. They do. So, Mother Nature, if you are watching this, we would kindly appreciate it. We would appreciate it very much if you could kindly, rather, stop the rain so we can just go on a few rides, the Ferris wheel, during our short stay here in Chicago. Thank you.